Hello, we have another great whites product to show you today. These are Oxy-Shield edging strips, which our very patient multitasking friend Keith is currently installing in the garden bed behind me to stop the soil from cascading, as it likes to do, onto the brick paths. Now, I think they're a great product because they are pliable. I think the lovely rust colour is going to be perfect for the garden bed, and they're really easy to install, aren't they, Keith?
They certainly are.
Hope so. Connecting the strips is as easy as putting them together and locking the little tab into place. Look at this, we are finished. Or should I say Keith has finished. I hardly did any of it, which I feel really bad about, but it looks amazing. We now have a retained garden bed. No more birds throwing anything anywhere. No more soil cascading onto the bricks. And Keith, I was quite happy just to put those plants in, but you quite rightly insisted that we put some edging in. Why?
Well, the height of the bed was sloping down to the paving, and unless that was retained, it was always going to be a problem. Every time it rained, we could have dirt and all sorts washing across the driveway.
I'm just so used to that, so I just sweep it all the time, but this is going to be so much better. Thank you.
So this is a very, very quick process for a great product. 15 metres in nearly no time at all. Just brilliant.
Fantastic. You may be wondering why there is a gap between the bricks and the edging. Now that is because there is a concrete haunch which is holding the bricks into place. So we had to place the edging on the other side of that. I love it. Whites, thank you so much. Keith, thank you so much. If you also love this Oxy-Shield edging, please look at Bunnings and you will find it there on the shelf. See you. Bye.